Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to put Spectrum channels in order for 2025. If you're a Spectrum subscriber who's frustrated with a messy channel lineup, this guide is for you. It's super straightforward and will help you customize your TV experience in just a few minutes. First off, why bother organizing your channels? Well, in 2025, Spectrum has rolled out some cool updates, making it easier than ever to prioritize your favorites, like sports, movies, or news, right at the top. To get started, you'll need your Spectrum remote and access to your TV or the Spectrum app on your smart device. Make sure you're logged into your account for seamless changes. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Turn on your TV and press the Menu button on your Spectrum remote. Navigate to the Settings or Guide option. Look for something that says Channel Management. Once there, select Edit Channel Lineup. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll see a list of all your channels. Use the arrow keys to highlight the ones you want to move. Press Select, and then choose Move or Reorder. Drag and drop them into your desired order. Put your must-watch channels like ESPN or Netflix at the top. Don't forget to save your changes by hitting OK or Apply. If you're using the Spectrum app on your phone or tablet, it's even simpler. Open the app, go to the menu, and find My Preferences or Channel Settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to rearrange. Just tap, hold, and drag. This works great for on-the-go adjustments. One common issue? If channels don't save, double-check your internet connection or restart your device. Spectrum's 2025 update has made this process glitch-free for most users, but if you run into problems, their customer support is just a call away. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Spectrum channels perfectly organized in no time. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it went. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.